Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we are going to learn how to change birthday on Facebook. We will also put useful links in the description below. To start, click on your profile icon that is on the top right corner of the screen. On the profile menu, you will see Settings and Privacy. Click on Settings and Privacy. Under Settings and Privacy menu, you will see Language. Click on Language. On the Settings page you will see Personal Details in the left side corner. Click on Personal Details. In this page you will see Personal Details under Account Settings. Click Personal Details again. Under Personal Details, you will see your personal information and most importantly your birthday. Click on Birthday. Beside your birthday, you will see an Edit button. Click on Edit. Then, you can change your birthday by selecting the month, day, and year of your birthday through drop-down list. After that, click on Save. And that's how you change birthday on Facebook. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.